guys, it's Cindy here. What is up? Today's video is going to be let's get festive for fall. We're gonna decorate, we're gonna do a fall eye, we're gonna put on some fall clothes, and we're just gonna get ready for fall. I don't know about you guys, but this is my favorite season ever. Like, this is where I'm my happiest because, like, you know, as soon as September hits, it's like it's fall for me. And then Christmas comes, and it's just a good way to end this shitty ass, stupid, ugly, dumb, stupid, stinky, poopy year. If you guys want to get festive with me for the fall and Halloween season, you know, watch this whole video. Also, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, guys. It would make me so happy. We're at like 108 right now, and I really want to get that number up. It would mean so much to me, guys. Like, I'm really trying to get to my dream. Let's get on with the video. First, I gotta finish my coffee. I have this cute little coffee mug from the Dollarama. Super cute. And if you guys saw in that first clip, I also have pumpkin spice latte creamer, so we know we're starting the day off good. Okay, so of course we gotta include a fall little makeup look. I'm not gonna do anything really crazy today because I just don't want to wear that much makeup on my eyes today. I know, boring. I'm gonna do like a really basic eye look for fall. So first I'm gonna, you know, prep the eyes, get them all ready. For the base, I am going to go in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer, but we're going to use it as an eyeshadow, as a base with a big fluffy blending brush. Put that all over the crease. I'm going to go into my Pretty Rich Too Faced palette, and we're going to go in with Oh That's Rich. That's going to be me one day. It's just like this burgundy color. And I'm going to take it on a little more tapered of a blending brush and just focus that in the outer V. Then I'm going to go back in with that Hoola bronzer and just put them on the big fluffy blending brush just to blend it out. We're going to put on, you know, some glitz on the lid. So I'm gonna be first putting on Don't Care It At All. Wow, good pun. I'm just gonna be taking a flat shader brush. You'll see that I did blend some of that burgundy color, you know, halfway on the outer eye. So I'm just gonna put this in the inner corner and going to the middle and blending it in with the outer eye. Now I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna be using Fluent and Diamonds. All right, it's this like literal sparkly color, and I'm just gonna go with my finger because I feel like fingers apply best with this, and I'm just gonna dot this on my lid, mostly just focusing it in the inner corner. Then I'm gonna go back in with that Oh That's So Rich color, that burgundy, and we're just gonna place that on the outer under eye. Then I'm gonna blend Hoola Beauty bronzer the rest of the under eye. Can't forget about a highlight shade, so I'm just gonna go in It's Designer, which is basically just this vanilla, I guess, kind of color, and we're just gonna put that on under the brow and in the corner. Now for some mascara, I'm just gonna use the combo of the Essence, the False Lashes mascara, and the Lash Sensational mascara. That's from Maybelline. So this is the finished fall look. I really like it. I'll put on lip stuff later. I'm gonna eat really soon. I love it. It's so cute and simple and girly and glamorous, and just love it. Okay, let's get on a fall outfit now. Fall outfit on in 3, 2, 1. Yay! Looks so cute. I love it. Yeah, just like the high-rise light wash jeans from Garage, and then we have this from like Stitches, and crop top from Ardennes. But of course, guys, we can't forget the essentials. Bath and Body Works. So I love the marshmallow pumpkin latte. Oh, to die for. Gotta take this off to get the cream. So Same kind for the cream. Put it all over the arms so we smell amazing. To drown ourselves in marshmallow pumpkin latte. It's time to decorate. I'm sitting by a fire because I'm freaking cold today. It literally feels like a fall day. Let's get to decorating. We have a whole bunch of goodies in this bag. We got some bows. These things, which I think are to make wreaths. Shit ton of leaves. More leaves. Fall inspired flowers. I was thinking, I took my little creative mind, because I'm creative. I thought I could make like 2 wreaths. I was thinking, see, because I don't have a glue gun with me. So I'm just gonna have to like push these in. But you know what I mean? Like just like sticking them in here. I just hope they don't fall out. I'll come back when this is, you know, looking a little better. Oh hey, so I didn't film me doing that at all, but I just thought I would show you the finished product. Isn't that actually really cute? Like it only took a couple minutes. It's like this cute little like fall wreath. Looks like I bought it. Should sell on Etsy. But yeah, that's my little fall wreath. Shout out to my boyfriend's mom for giving me the products to make it. First decoration, check. So for now, all the other decorations. Let's get started. We cannot forget about our pumpkin spice latte candle. Okay, let's light this. Ooh. Let's see what other fun things I have. I have this thing. This is also from my mom. Look at this. How freaking cute. I love this. I want this where I can see it. So I'm gonna put this guy right here. And then on the other side, I'm gonna put the witch. Ooh, creepy, scary. We're gonna put that right there. Oh, hey, how's it going? So I got this trick or treat, you know, from the dollar store. Where's the opening? I thought I could put it like right here. I mean, we can't block what I need to see. Check myself out every day. Off center, but I don't care. I think it looks super cute. Pumpkin, it's the season to be thankful. Even it out. So I have this happy Halloween sign. I'm thinking right here. What do you guys think? Super cute, as long as it doesn't fall on my Scentsy. That'd be so bad. I also got these like little pumpkin lights. I decided to put the pumpkin lights right there since, you know, they only gave you like a little bit of, I thought it would be so much longer. Oh my god. But it still looks cute really there. Now it's time to put random leaves everywhere. Let's do it. Grab our bag of leaves. Now that we got the place all decorated, it's time to do our nails. So I'm gonna be using the color Espresso. Super fall color. I was thinking on the ring finger, I could put on this like super sparkly color. So these are the finished fall nails. Since we're here at the vanity, why not put a little bit of a lip on? I'm thinking we're gonna throw on some Nicki Minaj. This one's really pretty. I believe it's a Viva Glam. I don't know if it really looks good with this eye, but whatever. We already have it on. I'm not gonna take it off now. The only way to end a fall video is this way. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready for fall with me. I had so much fun making this video. It really put me in the fall mood. I'm so happy all these decorations are up. I'm so ready for fall. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos, because we all know there's gonna be a lot more fall videos coming your way. Don't forget to comment, what do you like about fall/Halloween the most? I'd love to know. And don't forget to like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy, love yourself. Have an amazing morning, day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. See you guys next time. Ha 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 ha.